This is the healthbestfit.com website. Actually, today I'm discussing about how to make money online. So, make money online is not so easy job. So, today I'm discussing about the real tips of how to make money online. If you start a blog site like my site my site is like healthbestfit.com. This is my site. You look, there is a ad coming from Google. Okay, so I try to make this for a long time, at least 4 months before I started this website making, and then I developed it and give more time here. So there are too many. I try to give some important tips. For example, this is for just like attraction. So Google add me, and I'm earning, but starting is too little. You see, my another starting after Google AdSense after Google AdSense approval, you can add another affiliate marketing link. Like this site is come from uh, if you click here, then it goes to another site which is actually really pay you. So you can try. Just go to healthbestfit.com and just click here and start money online. But before that, you should start with Google AdSense, because Google is biggest in the around the world. And then when you get AdSense approval after a couple of weeks struggle, then you can add this site, and then you see there is a Google ad coming, and if someone click here, then I can get some money. So you can start with blog site like blogger.com site. Is a Actually, you are not a blogger, you are a content writer. So content writing is too difficult job. So today I am showing you how to make it easy. The Google AdSense approval depends on your content quality, because sometimes contents are copyright strike. So if your content is copyright strike, then it would be difficult, because your content should be unique. So how to check your content in unique? And you can take help from the site. Like you go to the uh, google.com. How to make your content is unique? You can help Google Translator help you to make nice content. Okay, nice content. If you go to like for example, bangla bangla to English, then when you search here, and then you first you see this, but you are going to the Google Translate. Actually, Google Translate will help you. And so if you found anything in Bangla from somewhere, you can translate it. Just copy here, and then Google will automatically translate it. Okay, and then you copy it, and then go to the another site like duplicate check is for unique article checking. Duplicate checkers checking your article is unique or not. After checking, you just come here and paste your text, whatever you collected, and then it will show automatically your check plagiarism. So your content is unique or not, it's checking. Okay, so it's checking. It may need few seconds or few seconds. So after that, you just copy it and then paste in a blog site like this one. This is my real blog site. This site is now popular, and you see my visitor status is now what is my visitor, and I will discuss 24 today is 24,252 visitors come, and my post is 122 post. So it is not so easy and simple way. Okay. Actually, I follow some method. I will discuss in another video, but because this video is going too long and you may be bored, so I'm just giving you an idea how to make this study. First, you see my post. This is the healthbestfeed.com. My post here is view 2019 2400. So this view is not coming so easily. I make it SEO friendly. SEO is very important because without SEO, Google is not ranking your pages forever. After if you put millions of text but without text with copyright, then Google will not approve for Google AdSense approval. So I'm just adding this picture for attraction, but because most of the people are thinking that why I'm reading this article, so some attraction is required for making a blog site. So you can, as a beginner, you can start with blog, and then you can add some Google, add some another affiliate link added here. I will show you in my next video how to add affiliate marketing and collect some picture copyright free pictures to add here. Actually, this is not too difficult, but you may need time. So this is my tricks. You see, here is writing first weight loss. Is there a healthy way to lose weight quickly? So actually, these are the keywords. These are keywords coming from Google research. For example, if you this is the SEO technique, and I make some labels. If you go to the Google and search, so how to do it, this is actually important, how to do it. So when you search weight loss, weight loss fast. Okay, so you see there is so many text is coming which is related with weight loss fast. So this is actually people searching. So you have to put this name in your blog site or WordPress site. So WordPress is also important. So if you are making a blog site, so you are not actually a blogger, you are not as a content writer. So some people have misconception that you are a blogger, but actually in our country some people don't understand what is blogger or what is content writing. They are misconception, and sometimes they are sometimes misconception and make some bad idea. So this is actually not. Actually it is just collecting important text for valuable text for people. Actually you want to help the people. You are not going to not you are try to help them. So you first weight loss, if you search, this is I'm actually teaching you how to SEO, but this video is going to longer, so I will make another video in my channel so that you can if you subscribe and like my video, then you can get automatically this type of videos in your notification. So I hope that you subscribe and like my channel, and so I can monetize my channel and earn little bit money. Okay, actually this is also difficult job. Most of the people are not subscribing, they are just avoiding, but after watching good video, they are just, some people are like, but not all. They're, I don't know why. Okay, now avoiding this. So I'm going to downside, if you see, there is a millions, much more articles already writing. So you have to choose a article or text which is not writing in the website ever. It is a very difficult job. For example, I write it. I just added. I write in this article. I just write this coming from Google. If someone interested about this information, they can open. But now I am just closing. Okay. Here's the important tips as the unique tips. Uh, I collected it. Oh, here's another ad coming. Actually, this is from coming from Google, and this is coming from another website. If you go to my, this is coming from Google. Okay, so this is just picture for attraction only. If you want to add in a Fiverr account, then you can click here. If you want to short your link, then you can click here. So this is so interesting. If you like music, you can click here. For example, I click here. Okay, it goes to my music page. This music are so interesting, and sometime it when I work out and the time I play this music. This come from Google ad. So you comments me, and I will try to help you with how I make this in my video. I will give some link in my video description. You can watch. So this picture also adding for attraction. You can also add this type of picture, but you have to copyright free picture. I will discuss it. So you click on the Arabic song, and I'm not playing the Arabic song now, but you can see the my Google Drive link already I shared you, and you can anytime you can play copy, no problem. You can just come here and start playing. So this video is going to big, so now I'm going to stop. So by this way you can start your earning journey, but I'm not telling you that you are starting from right now. You will be earn after 5 to 6 months. After 5 to 6 months, so are you ready? So if you are ready, then you start from blogger, and then if you, because blog site is easy, and then if you know WordPress, then you can start with WordPress. WordPress is also interesting and popular nowadays. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching my videos. So last time I'm requesting you again to please like, share, and of course subscribe my channel, so that you will get this type of valuable information. And I will describe one more videos, maybe 2 to 5 another videos on money making site. So by this way you can earn passive income. Passive income means you are not doing anything, but your income is running. Okay, this is called passive income, which is very important need for the retirement period, because I have no job. For example, in that time, what I do, how I earn money, this is the tension. So I think people are, after getting retirement, they can create a writing. They are willing to write something, so they can start now. Thank you.